In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eBay username. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what rules your new name has to follow, and what to expect once the change goes through. First, sign into eBay. Open a desktop browser and go to ebay.com, then log into your account. This process typically can't be completed in the mobile app, so if you're on a phone, switch your browser to desktop mode to make sure all the right menus appear. Once you're in, head to your account settings. At the top of the page, click your name. In the menu that opens, choose Account Settings or My eBay. Then look for the My Account section and select Personal Information. This is where eBay keeps your profile details, including your username, also called your user ID. On the Personal Information page, locate the row labeled Username or User ID. Next to it, you'll see an Edit option, sometimes shown as a small link or a pencil icon. Click that. In the box that appears, type the new username you'd like to use. Take a moment to double-check spelling and readability. A clear, simple name is easier for buyers and sellers to recognize. When you're happy with it, click Save or Submit to apply the change. There are a few important rules and limits to keep in mind. You can only change your eBay username once every 30 days, so choose carefully. Your new username must be at least 6 characters long, and it can include letters, numbers, and certain symbols, but no spaces. eBay doesn't allow characters like the @ sign, ampersand, apostrophes, parentheses, or angle brackets. Avoid anything offensive or that could infringe on trademarks. If the name you want is taken or doesn't meet the rules, try a small variation, like adding a number or using a different word order while keeping it professional and easy to remember. After you change your username, your feedback, ratings, and account history stay exactly the same. Nothing is reset. It all carries over to your new name. For a short period, others may see an indicator that your username was recently changed, and your old username can't be used by anyone else for 30 days. The change typically takes effect right away, but it can take a little time to appear everywhere across the site. If something looks outdated, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently update your eBay identity while keeping your hard-earned reputation intact.